Every veteran has a powerful wealth-building tool in their pocket that most people completely overlook. The FHA VA Equity Flip is a brilliant strategy for military members who want to start building a rental portfolio with very little cash. You begin by purchasing a home with an FHA loan, which only requires a small 3.5% down payment. Once you have lived in the home for a year and built up enough equity, you can refinance into your zero-down VA loan. This process often allows you to pull your original down payment back out tax-free while lowering your monthly interest rate. You can then take that same cash and use it to buy your next property as a primary residence, while keeping the first one as a rental. By repeating this strategy over several years, you can build a massive real estate empire using your hard-earned military benefits. The key is to focus on properties in growing areas where the home value will increase quickly through appreciation or minor renovations. Stop thinking of your VA loan as just a one-time benefit and start viewing it as the engine for your family's future financial freedom.